Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this really cute flower card coaster and we are going to be using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and two colors of your choice, or if you're just using one color that would be fine as well, but I'm using these two colors and some scissors and of course your yarning needle. Now I'm going to be using this peachy color for the center of my flower, and we are going to be working with a magic circle. So how I like to make mine is I make an X, and then with my hook I grab that yarn, and it should make a circle. It's why it's called magic circle. So then we're going to chain one. And this is how it looks. And then inside our circle, we are going to make 9 half double crochets. And that chain one does count as a stitch. So just make 9 half double crochets into that magic circle. Now to close, we just pull on that strand here and it's going to close our circle. And there you have it. So for the next round, we're going to be increasing in every stitch. So in that chain one, we are going to slip stitch and then we are going to place, we're going to slip stitch, chain one and make 1 half double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, now in every stitch around, we are going to be placing 2 half double crochets. So here I do 1 and then 2. Right, so in the next one, we place 2 half double crochets, and that's going to be the repeat all the way around. You place 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. Alright, so continue doing that all the way around, and I will show you the next step. Okay, here's my very last stitch, and I'm placing my 2 half double crochets. And now I'm going to be adding that second color. So if you just have one color, you just slip stitch to that chain one. But if you're going to change colors, we're just going to add it right now. So what I like to do is I make a slip knot and then I insert my hook on that chain one, and then I grab that other color and pull it through that, and we just have to pull on the back of the other color so there's not a gap. Okay, so now with that other color I'm going to be chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you can go ahead and cut the yarn from the other color and just drag it um, through the back like that as you keep working. So on that next stitch, we're going to make 3 treble crochets. And to make a treble, we yarn over twice, insert our hook, pull up a loop, pull through two, and then pull through two again. So we're making 3 trebles in that next stitch. Okay, and you can keep dragging the yarn up on the back of the project, but I just did it for the first stitch, and then after that I just like to with my ends. So on that next stitch we're going to slip stitch, then slip stitch on the next stitch. Okay, now we are going to make 4 trebles inside that next stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay guys, and then we are going to slip stitch again. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the next stitch we are going to slip stitch and then slip stitch again in that next stitch, and that is the pattern repeat. On that next stitch we place 4 trebles inside the same stitch. Okay, then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Okay, and then we do that all over again. We place 4 trebles in the next stitch, then after that slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. So here I'm at my last petal that I'm going to make. So I'm making my last 2 slip stitches, then there's 1 stitch left, and that's where I'm going to place my last 4 treble crochets. Okay, once I made my last treble, I'm just going to slip stitch at the beginning of that very first petal that we made. Then I'm going to tie off my yarn, cut the yarn, and just weave my ends. So this is how it looks. We got um 1, 2, 3, I believe we have 7 petals, so you can pull on the back of that tail to close that center. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe, 7 petals, and this is how it looks. So I'm just going to weave my ends at the back of this, and I will be finished. And my flower was around 3 inches in size, but if you want it smaller, just use a smaller hook. This flower was almost the exact size of my car um, drink holder, whatever you call, wherever you put your drinks in my car. Um, I feel like if I made it a little bit smaller, it would have fit better, but I didn't. If you see the picture in the thumbnail, I didn't mind how it looks. Um, but yeah, I could probably go one hook smaller just to make the coaster fit better. But just measure the size of your drink holder in your car. And like I said, this one is around 3 inches. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, you guys. Um, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.